మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ఐసెట్ ప్రిపరేషన్లో మనకి డేటా ఇంటర్ప్రిటేషన్ అనేది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ అమ్మా. వాట్ దే విల్ డూ ఈజ్ దే విల్ గివ్ వన్ table like this. Here they have given a table showing the crops of 5 crops from the year 2010 to 2015. See my dear students, based on these questions will be there, like the first question is what is the percentage of increase of crop A from 2010 to 2015. In 2008 it is 100 and 2015 it is 160. The change is like 60 by base year into 100, like this. So what is the total of the production of B? Means the total you have to do. Like this, there will be more and more questions which are developed on this data interpretation. So when data is given, first you need to study the data once, then you should go on doing this kind of calculations. And my dear students, sometimes if you are unable to divide, say for example 3 divided by 20 is there, you won't divide that, then you can make it as 21 and you can take to nearest number. Means don't waste the time, my dear students, go on doing this. See second question, what is the percentage decrease of B in 2011 to 2010? B you have to see. 2011 80 and it is 120 has become 80, means 40 is the decrease. 40 divided by 120 into 100, likewise my dear students. So data interpretation is very important, where the student has to concentrate a lot, and this data is very useful data, my dear students. Based on these questions will be developed. See, in the data interpretation only one more question, a pie diagram is given and the items are given like food, education, clothing and all. My dear students, when it is given, immediately what you have to do is you have to make total of these items. Then how degrees will be converted, means individual item by total into 360 degrees. You take nearest. See, very important is data interpretation, my dear students. Don't ignore. From question number 48 to 55, likewise 53, and these are all data interpretation questions only. If you are able to do this problem, you do it and send me the answer. In a partnership business, ABC are partners. The capital of A is 3/4 of the capital of B plus C, and capital of B is 1/3 of the capital of C plus A. Find the profit sharing ratio. If you are able to do this, you can do, or else I will tell the answer. Next question, if you see, the cost price of 20 articles is equal to selling price of 16 articles. Find the percentage of profit. My dear students, don't worry, don't waste the time. Difference between the articles is 4, and the profit is also 4 only. Why? Because 20 minus 16 minus 20 minus 16 means 4. 4 divided by 20 into 100. 20% is the profit. Again, more and more questions will be like this, my dear students. Here they have given PON, DCB and HCF. See, we have to see DCB. D is like here 4. How many he left? After D he went to H. Means 1, 2, 3, 4. H he went. H, G, F he has done. Now PON is given, means back we have to go. PON is given. 4 letters back వెళ్ళండి అమ్మ, వెళ్ళి చూసుకోండి ఏది వస్తుందో. ఎల్ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతున్నట్టు కావచ్చు అది. ఓకేనమ్మా. ఎల్కేజే విల్ బి ద ఆన్సర్. మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ఇక్కడ చూడండి 27, 36, 49. నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చే నెంబర్ ఏది అడుగుతున్నాడు. ఇంకా దీంట్లో టైం వేస్ట్ ఎక్కువ చేసుకోకుండా అమ్మ. 2, 3, 4 తర్వాత ఏది రావాలి, ఇంకా 5 ఉన్నది రావాలి, అంతే. ఇంకా అంత లాజికల్ థింకింగ్ దాంట్లో ఏం లేదమ్మా. తర్వాత ఇదొకటమ్మా, AZBకి వచ్చాడు. AZB అంటే మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ ఆల్ఫాబెట్ చూసుకోవాలమ్మా. ఏ తీసుకున్నాడు, జెడ్ లాస్ట్ది, నెక్స్ట్ బీకి వచ్చాడు. నెక్స్ట్ చూడండి ఏం చేస్తాడంటే సి తీసుకున్నాడు, బి అయిపోయింది కాబట్టి. సి తర్వాత ఏది తీసుకున్నాడు, ఇక్కడ CYD తీసుకొని ఉంటాడు. CYD తీసుకున్నాడు కదమ్మా. అలా ఆలోచించండి అమ్మ. EXF తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేది చూసుకోండి, అంతే. జీ మీద వస్తుందమ్మా, అది GWH రావచ్చు అనమాట. మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, సీ ఆల్ దీస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్, మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్. డోంట్ ఇగ్నోర్. Preparing of ICET and competitive exams is very much important, my dear students. A few more questions I am giving to you. If you are able to do this, do this. Here one question is there, what is the age of Mr. Rajesh now? 7 years ago, Rakesh was older than Suresh by 8 years. Present, Rakesh is thrice old as Suresh. Now what is the age? Chudandamma. Next, the cost of 5 benches and 10 chairs is 17,500. The cost of 7 benches and 11 chairs is 27,500. Find the cost of 2